Good morning students. How are you? In last video we have done chapter 10 exercise 10.2 compound interest. Now in this video we will do chapter 22 volume and capacity. Now we will start chapter 22 volume and capacity. Open your books at page number 274. Volume and capacity. In this chapter we will study to know what is capacity, what is volume, unit of capacity and volume. First we will start volume. Here are some solids which we use in our daily life. We can see that they all occupy space. The amount of space each of these solids occupies is called its volume. See, 4 pictures are given. Thus, the space occupied by any object is called its volume. Now look at these cubes, cylinders, cones and spheres. Cube 1, cube 2 is given. 2 cylinders are given. We can see that cube 2 occupies more space than cube 1 because cube 1 is smaller, cube 2 is bigger. So cube 2 occupies more space than cube 1. Thus cube 2 has greater volume than cube 1. Now see cylinders, 2 cylinders are given and cylinder 2 occupies more space than cylinder 1. This means cylinder 2 has greater volume than cylinder 1. Now see, 2 cones and 2 spheres has been given. We can see that cone 1 occupies more space than cone 2 because cone 1 is bigger than cone 2. This again shows that cone 1 has greater volume than cone 2. Now see spheres. Sphere 1 and sphere 2 occupy same space. Thus sphere 1 has the same volume as of sphere 2. Though sphere 1 rubber ball is hollow and sphere 2 metal ball is solid. Whether it is hollow or solid, but both have same space, so they have same volume. Now 2 solids having same shape and size have same volume. For example, 2 fruities are given. One is of mango fruity and one is orange fruity. These 2 fruity packs have same shape, size and volume, but 2 solids having same volume may not have same shape and size. For example, here we have Coke can and a bottle and both have the same capacity, but they do not have same shape or size. So volume is same but shape and size is not same. Number 3. Liquids and gases have no fixed shape and size. Their shape depends upon the container in which they are contained. So to find the volume of liquids and gases, we calculate the capacity of the container which holds them. Now units of volume. Solids and liquids are measured in different units. The standard unit for measuring volume is cubic centimeter. Standard unit for measuring volume is cubic centimeter or CU/cm or cm cube. A cube of edge 1 centimeter has a volume of 1 cubic centimeter or 1 centimeter cube. Liquids are usually measured in liters and milliliters. 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter is equal to 1000 centimeter cube. So 1 liter is equal to 1000 cubic centimeter. Now capacity. Capacity is the volume of liquid a container can have. Thus capacity is measured in the same unit as liquid volume. For example, A glass holds 300 milliliter of Coke when filled to brim, then the capacity of glass is 300 milliliters. Now, unit of capacity, unit cube. We all are aware of the fact that a line segment has only one dimension, and we measure the length of line segment in linear units. For example, in centimeters, meters, kilometers, etc. Plane figures like squares, rectangles, trapezium, circle, etc. have two dimensions. We measure the area of region occupied by them in a unit called unit square. For example, square centimeter, square meter, etc. Similarly, the solids have three dimensions: length, breadth, and height. So the amount of space occupied by these solids is the volume. It is measured in unit called unit cube. Volume is measured in unit cube. Here is a cube, those each edge is 1 centimeter long. Example, picture is given. An edge of the cube is 1 centimeter long. Its each surface has area of 1 square centimeter, and that is why it is called a unit cube. Volume of this cube is equal to area of the base multiply height. Thus, its volume is equal to 1 square centimeter multiply 1 centimeter is equal to 1 cubic centimeter. In short, we write 1 cubic centimeter as 1 cu.cm, means 1 cubic centimeter. The number of unit cubes contained in the solid gives us the volume of the solid. For example, if a solid contains 12 unit cubes, then the volume of solid is 12 cubic centimeter. So we have to count the cubes. If it is 12, then volume will be 12 cubic centimeter. Now, volume of cuboid using unit cube. Now, volume of cuboid using unit cube. Let us take 36 cubes of same size. For example, it is given in your book. Say with an edge of 1 centimeter and arrange them to form a cuboid. We can form a number of different cuboids with these cubes. For example, in first it is given 9 cubes. This is length, and 9 cubes are given, and breadth it is only 1 cube. They have arranged like this. Total 36 cubes are there. So, volume of this cuboid is 9 multiply 4 multiply 1 is equal to 36. Cube 1, length 9, breadth 4, height 1. So volume is 36 cubic centimeter. And in second example, cubes are arranged lengthwise. 6 cubes are given, and breadthwise 3, height-wise cube, upper cube means 2 cubes are given. So length is 6, breadth is 3, height is 2. So volume will be 6 multiply 3 multiply 2 means length into breadth into height. It will be 36 cubic centimeter. In third example, it is also given lengthwise 4 cubes are given, breadthwise 3, and height also 3. Length into breadth into height means 4 into 3 into 3. It will be 36 cubic centimeter. Now we will start exercise 22. Now these observations suggest that volume of cuboid of length, breadth, height is L into B into H cubic centimeters, since their length, breadth and height are in centimeters. If it will be given in meters, then volume will be cubic meter. So volume of cuboid is equal to length into breadth into height. Now we will start exercise 22. It is only first sum, it is only matching. We have to match the measuring jugs to container that will be done. First one is already done. Milk 1 liter is matched with first line, third measuring jug. Now refined oil 750 ml in middle line. It is given refined oil 750 ml. We have to match with first jug in first line. Coke 500 ml. We will match with second jug in first line. Now water 1 liter. 1 liter is already matched in first line, so we will match with third line second jug. Petrol 750 ml. We have to match with 750 ml. We have to match with third line third jug. 100% juice 250 ml, that we have to match with first line fourth jug. And tomato sauce 500 ml, that we have to match with third line first jug. Now second sum, you have to color the containers to show the measurement. First is 1 liter, that we have to color up to 1000 ml. Half liter means up to 500 ml you have to color. 3.4 liter means 750 ml you have to color. 1.4 liter means up to 250 ml you have to color the jug. Now page number 278, integrated exercise. First sum, count the cubes and find the volume of each rectangular prism. Here we have to count. First, in first part, lengthwise 4 cubes are given, so length is 4 cm, breadth 2 cm, height 7 cm. Volume is L into B into H, means 4 into 2 into 7 is equal to 56 cm cube. In second part, length is 6, breadth 2, height 7, volume will be 84 cm cube. And in third part, length 9, breadth 2 cm, height 3 cm, volume will be 54 cm cube. Fourth part, length 6, breadth 2, height 4, volume will be length into breadth into height, it will be 48 cm cube. Fifth part, length 4 cm, breadth 2, height 4, volume will be 32 cm cube. And sixth part, length 2, breadth 2, height 7, volume will be 28 cm cube. And seventh part, length 6 cm, breadth 2 cm, height 7 cm, volume will be 6 multiply 2 multiply 7 is equal to 84 cm cube. Eighth part, length is 10 cm, breadth 2 cm, height 2 cm, volume will be 40 cm cube. And in last part, length is equal to 10 cm, breadth 2 cm, height 4 cm, volume will be length into breadth into height, 10 into 2 into 4 is equal to 80 cm cube. Now you have to revise this exercise and do this exercise on your fair notebook. Okay beta, have a nice day. Thank you.